Hello everyone, I am Grace Harther and I am going to be talking about Teacher Z's ePortfolio. So to begin with, I really like this graphic, this quote at the top about education from Nelson Mandela. I feel it's very fitting, of course, being a teacher ePortfolio, talking about a quote with education goes right hand in hand. I am not a huge fan of the way that the spacing and layout looks when you scroll down. You can see that these paragraphs are aligned with each other. However, on this side, these paragraphs are a little too close and they're not quite aligned with the photo. But that's just me being nitpicky. Scrolling down, I like how there's a contact information section, so if anyone has questions, they can contact Teacher Z. I think this photo is not the best use. I think it should be closer of Teacher Z, but that's just my personal opinion. When I click, let's click on another link. Oh, cool. Another link has another quote little graphic at the top. I do like the use of the graphics. Overall, the grammar seems relatively good. Cool. I like all the use of the pictures. It can be very nice for some people to have visuals. Oh, I like how there's lesson plans you can download and view. That's very helpful as well. And resources. Awesome. So Teacher Z, honestly, awesome. Yeah, Teacher Z is doing a great job, I think, on their ePortfolio. The only thing I would say to work on is really just the layout of the home page. But yeah, that was my critique and thoughts about Teacher Z's ePortfolio.